There are some dog breeds known for their incredible muscle strength and agility. One of the most impressive among these is the American Pit Bull Terrier. This breed is known for its strong build and powerful muscles. They have a broad chest, well-defined neck, and a solid, muscular body that showcases their strength. Originally bred for farm work and as guard dogs, their muscular physique makes them great athletes. Many people admire their impressive strength, which is why they are often seen in various dog sports and competitions. These dogs are not just strong but also agile, capable of quick bursts of speed and impressive feats of endurance. Their strength and agility combined make them a favorite in many athletic canine events, showcasing their physical prowess in a variety of settings. Next on the list is the Rottweiler, another breed that stands out for its robust and solid body. Rottweilers have broad shoulders, strong legs, and a thick, muscular build that gives them a commanding presence. Their physical power and endurance make them excellent working dogs. They are commonly used in roles that require strength and stamina, such as guard dogs and police work. The Rottweiler's combination of muscle and loyalty makes them a popular choice for those looking for a strong and reliable canine companion. Their muscular build is complemented by their keen intelligence and trainability, making them not only powerful, but also highly capable in a variety of demanding roles. This blend of physical strength and mental acuity has cemented their reputation as one of the top working dog breeds in the world. Another impressive breed known for its muscular build is the Doberman Pinscher. Dobermans have a sleek, lean frame that is packed with muscle. Their long, slender bodies are incredibly agile, allowing them to move quickly and efficiently. This breed is often used in security and search and rescue roles due to their strength and intelligence. Their muscular build not only contributes to their physical prowess, but also to their reputation as a loyal and protective breed. Dobermans are known for their speed and endurance, capable of performing high-intensity tasks with ease. Their athleticism is matched by their sharp intellect, making them both formidable protectors and efficient working dogs. The American Bulldog is another breed that exemplifies strength. With their stocky build and powerful muscles, they are truly a sight to behold. American Bulldogs have broad shoulders, a wide chest, and strong, muscular limbs. Originally bred for farm work, they were used for tasks that required significant strength and endurance. Today, they are known not only for their physical power, but also for their role as loving and protective family pets. Their muscular physique makes them versatile dogs, capable of both hard work and affectionate companionship. Their strength is balanced by a gentle and loyal nature, making them excellent family dogs that are both protective and loving. This duality of strength and affection makes the American Bulldog a cherished breed among those who appreciate their unique qualities. Lastly, the Dogo Argentino stands out with its athletic build and strong, muscular body. This breed was originally developed for big game hunting, which required both power and agility. The Dogo Argentino has a solid, well-proportioned frame, with muscles that are clearly defined. Their impressive physique makes them excellent hunters and protectors. Despite their powerful appearance, they are also known for being gentle and affectionate with their families, making them a unique combination of strength and tenderness. The Dogo Argentino's blend of muscular strength and a gentle temperament makes them a versatile breed, capable of excelling in demanding tasks while also being a loving family companion. Their adaptability and strength have earned them a respected place among the most muscular dog breeds in the world. Each of these breeds showcases the remarkable strength and muscularity that certain dogs possess. Their powerful builds not only make them excellent working dogs, but also beloved companions for those who appreciate their unique physical attributes. Whether it's the athleticism of the American Pit Bull Terrier, the robust strength of the Rottweiler, the sleek agility of the Doberman Pinscher, the sturdy build of the American Bulldog, or the powerful yet gentle nature of the Dogo Argentino, these breeds represent the pinnacle of canine strength and versatility.